Hi, I'm Shindana Johnson with the ShinWins team of Keller Realty. Have you had thoughts about selling your current home, downsizing, possibly increasing in space, or just relocating? My team and I are natives and we've been in the real estate industry here in Atlanta for more than 10 years. In 2017, we helped more than 21 families to accomplish their real estate needs. And with the Keller Williams brand, we're #1 in sales volume in the US and we're now #1 in the world. So what does that mean for you? That means that my partnership has the largest network of real estate agents in the world. In today's society, you wonder, how can you communicate with us? We offer various methods of communication. You can call us, you can text us, email us, you can visit us on our website, or even social media. We're on Facebook. We're ready to assist you in however you want to be contacted. So call us today. When partnering with us, we focus on you. You're not a commissions check and you're not a real estate transaction, but you are our valued client. We look at all of our clients' needs as individuals and we provide an individual solution to your need. So call us today. Let's get started. Help us to help you get your home sold, buy your next home, or even invest in real estate. We're ready to assist you.